Beta, which is achievement, character, leadership, and service. Simply being invited to become a member is an honor. Students at our school must have an AB average or higher in all current classes to be invited, and then they have an application process that they go through to show those other tenets and characteristics. And additionally, they must complete at least 20 hours of service to remain within the club. And even with these requirements, our new inductees today, just these 5, went well above and beyond our expectations. Of the 607 total hours of community service that our whole club did this year, they completed 485 of them. So they have really given back to this community in a big way. Inductees, I hope you guys feel pride in becoming members of this prestigious organization. You truly are the leaders in our school and community and are joining the ranks of Beta members nationally and internationally.
So we are here to recognize these students who are to become National Beta members. We are proud to induct members into this chapter. It's only our second year doing this. Looking forward to that. And we look forward to continuing this tradition for many years to come here at John Della. National Beta was founded upon 8 primary principles, each chosen to help students learn how to make a life for themselves and to become humble servant leaders. These pillars or principles are, and they're noted on our badge here, our shield, charity, service, humility, justice, industriousness, responsibility, and cooperation, as well as honesty at the very top.
So each of these principles you've heard are building blocks for betas. Each of these inductees have shown these traits at our school and throughout the community, granting them the honor of joining our Beta Club chapter. Inductees, please stand to demonstrate your acceptance of the principles. Raise your right hand to take the pledge of the National Beta membership and repeat after me. I do solemnly declare that I shall always strive to hold fast the principles of honesty. To endeavors constantly to maintain an admirable reputation.
You guys repeat it.
And to develop the foundation of character, service, achievement, and leadership in my life.
And to develop the foundation of character, service, achievement, and leadership in my life.
I also pledge to cooperate with my fellow members.
I also pledge to cooperate with my fellow members.
I will encourage an individual responsibility to improve my school, community, state, and nation.
I will encourage an individual responsibility to improve my school, community, state, and nation.
I will defend a high standard of morality and join with my club.
I will defend a high standard of morality and join with my club.
To contribute to the improvement of our entire student body.
To contribute to the improvement of our entire student body.
Okay. Betas, as I call your name, please cross the stage, accept your official National Beta Certificate of Membership with card and lapel pin. These items will signify your membership into this prestigious organization. We hope that you will carry and wear them with pride. And then once you return to your seat, you may be seated. Okay. We will begin with Emily White. Macy Hudson. Lindsay Hodge.
Good job.
Greg Gardner. course of 86 years, National Beta has been proud to embrace countless members, parents, friends, and loved ones. I hope you're as proud as we are of these amazing new Beta members. Betas, we encourage you to always be a leader, demonstrate good character, work hard in your academic endeavors, and to serve others before yourself. We look forward to seeing how membership in this prestigious organization will impact you and how you, in turn, will impact the world. Let's give them a hand.